Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are using the Narzo 90 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant on your device. Just follow the simple steps to manage this feature. Before moving ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. So now let's begin.